In this video, we're going to show you how to fix input delay in Counter-Strike 2. All right, so there are two ways you can do this. The first of which is just to check your drivers. So go to Device Manager and just check the driver, especially when it comes to your peripheral, which is, let's see, display, no, firmware, no, keyboards, there you go. So just click on keyboard scan for hardware changes, and then check the driver updates for each like this. As you can see, we are up to date when it comes to the drivers for our keyboard. And after you've checked this, what you want to do is click on the home Windows button here, and then just type in keyboard. And then you'd want to click on keyboard here on settings, and this small pop-up will appear in keyboard properties. Repeat delay, you need to change this to your liking. You gotta repeat rate and your cursor blink rate. So you gotta tweak this to your own preference. So there's a bit of trial and error phase that you need to do when it comes to this. So do this until you got your best keyboard refresh rate settings. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.